In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a picture rounded here in Canva. Now, the easiest way to do this is by utilising Canva frames. Now, to find them, all we have to do is come over to the element section just here. Then, if we scroll all the way down, we're going to find frames just here. Now, if we click here, we then want to go on to either basic shapes and or flowers. Now, if we look here, we have a circle under flowers, and if we click on there, we can then put it onto the canvas just like this, and then we can put this image into the frame, making it rounded. So all we have to do is hold, drag and drop, just like that. And now this picture has been rounded. Now we can enlarge this as well, just like that. And if the picture is not lined up, we can simply double click onto the picture, and then we can adjust and crop to however we please. Now we can also put a border on this as well by coming up to the border style, choosing the style that we want, adjusting the border weight, and then we can also play with the colour just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a picture rounded here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.